Have you ever opened your dishwasher door only to be hit with a wave of stinky air? You're not alone. Bad smells emanating from dishwashers are a common problem that can make your kitchen environment unpleasant. Imagine trying to cook a nice meal, but all you can think about is that pungent smell coming from your dishwasher. One of the most frustrating things about dishwasher odors is that they can be really difficult to eliminate. Dishwasher smells can also be a sign of a deeper issue. Maybe there's something going on with your plumbing, or maybe the odor is a sign of a more serious problem with your dishwasher. Whatever the cause, one thing is for sure. You want to get rid of that smell as quickly as possible. Food debris buildup is one of the main reasons why dishwashers can smell so bad. When food particles accumulate at the bottom of the dishwasher, they can start to rot and cause a terrible odor. The same goes for mold and mildew, which can grow in the moist environment of the dishwasher. When it comes to identifying the source of the smell, the first place to look is the filter. If you haven't cleaned your filter recently, it's probably clogged with food particles and debris. Remove it, clean it out, and put it back in place. You might be surprised at how much better your dishwasher smells after that simple step. Another common culprit when it comes to dishwasher odors is improper maintenance. If you're not running cleaning cycles regularly, or if you're not checking the dishwasher's drain for blockages, you're inviting bad smells to take over. And let's not forget about the importance of cleaning the dishwasher's seals and gaskets. These can harbor mold and mildew if not properly maintained. But there's another reason why your dishwasher might be smelling bad. A reason that might surprise you. You might not expect it, but the drain hose could be the root of the problem. If the drain hose isn't properly installed, or if it's kinked or clogged, it can cause water to back up into the dishwasher, leading to a perfect environment for mold and mildew to grow. And that's not all. A kinked or clogged drain hose can also cause food particles and debris to accumulate in the dishwasher, making the smell even worse. It's a vicious cycle that can be difficult to break, but addressing the drain hose issue can make all the difference. The thing is, a kinked or clogged drain hose is relatively easy to fix, but it's often overlooked as a potential cause of bad smells. So, if you're struggling with a stinky dishwasher, make sure to check the drain hose as part of your troubleshooting process. In summary, bad smells in your dishwasher can be caused by a variety of factors, from food debris buildup to improper maintenance, and even a kinked or clogged drain hose. By identifying and addressing these issues, you can keep your dishwasher smelling fresh and clean. Thanks for watching. And if you've had any experiences with dishwasher smells, leave a comment below. Also, if you want to learn more about kitchen maintenance tips, be sure to check out my other videos.